Gandhi Special Tubes Ltd, a steel tubes manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1959. They are based in Maharashtra, with more than 380 employees. They have one manufacturing plant located in Halol, Gujarat, encompassing 25 acres of land. The market cap of the company is 987 crore rupees, and currently trading at 812 rupees per share. The company has a 27% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 28% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is 100% debt-free, which is a good sign. The company offers diverse products, mainly targeting the OEM sector. They are the market leader in seamless tube manufacturing, from which 80% of the revenue is generated, and remaining from other segments. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. The company is showing steady growth. The company has done multiple buybacks since 2018, and is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of Rs 12 per share was paid in July 2023. The promoters are holding a good percentage of the shares, and there has been no drop in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. As of now, there are no domestic investments. Company have clientele from various OEM segments. Some clients of the company are Mahindra, Escorts Tractors, Swaraj Tractors, TIF Tractors, Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, JCB, Caterpillar, Honda, and many more. Coming to some key highlights. Company is in technical collaboration with German-based company, Benteler. They are the market leader in India for seamless tube manufacturing, and are 100% debt-free. Company exports to many countries from Asia, North America, and Europe. They have an experienced management team. They are also engaged in power generation by windmills. This has been a quick analysis of Gandhi Special Tubes Ltd. Please share and like the video, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.